Hello, everyone.
Hey, Bear, this bee is
Welcome
mine.
to our class.
No way, the fruits
Let's
love me
start
more.
together.
Letter U. This is U. U, down, curve, up. U is for umbrella. Oh my gosh, the flowers are alive. Whoa, that's tickling my nose. It's fun.
This is an umbrella.
Hands up.
Uniform.
Open umbrella.
Hands up! Uniform inspection!
Let's see those pleats. But I'm the uniform.
It's rebelling! Wait, come back!
Now I'm the inspector.
This is an umbrella.
Hands up.
Open umbrella.
Umbrella, Watson. This is an umbrella. You're playing uniform baiting. Up, dog. Time for some rain.
This is U. U, down, curve, up. U is for unicorn. This is U. U, down, curve, up. U is for unicorn.
U. This is U.
U,
Down. Curve.
up.
U is for umbrella.
U.
This is you. You down. Curve up. Ah.
This is U. This is U. U is for umbrella.
You. This is you. Down. Curve up. Stop. Boot time.
U is playing fun.
You has gone wild. Settle down. You. This is you. Down. Curve up. Stop. Boot time.
U is playing fun.
You has gone wild. Settle down.
This is U. U. Down. Curve. Up. U is for umbrella.
You. Down. Curve. Class, let's review U for unicorn. U for unbelievable magic.
Wait, what's happening to my body?
U for upside down chaos. Order, please.
U.
This is U.
U, down, curve, up.
This is U.
U,
Down. Curve.
up.
U is for umbrella.
U,
This is U. Down. Curve.
up.
U is for umbrella. Okay, everyone. U is for unicorn and umbrella. Watch out, here comes the fruit.
This is bananas.
Papaya power up. V. Hey, Bear, this bee is mine. Squawk!
No way, the fruits love me more. Hee hee.
Whoa, it's wiggling. What's happening?
It's a giant fruit.
Yay! Fruit fight. This is fun.
V. Letter V. Down. V. Up. Via. Letter V. Down, up. V is for vulture. Via. Letter V. Down, up. V is for vulture.
V is for vulture. Letter V. No, V is for no. Wow, a monkey vulture. Settle down.
Letter V.
V.
Down, up. V is for viper. V is for viper. Stretch, up,
Letter V. V, V. Down. V is for viper.
Letter V. V is for viper. I am viper.
V, V, V. Down. V is for viper. Letter V. V, V.
Down. Up. V is for viper.
V, V, V. I am the letter V. Down, down, settle down.
V is for viper. I am viper.
No, I am V now. Let's be V together.
Letter V. V, V. Down. Up. V is for viper.
V is for viper. I am viper. Yes, you're a viper. Wait, I want to fly. What? Snakes can't fly. Fine, you slither then. No fair. I can't slither, right?
Bye-bye. See you next time.